Go For It presents Snowstorm at Mount Baldy. Mount Baldy or Mount Baldy Village, formerly Camp Baynham and Camp Baldy, is an unincorporated community in the San Gabriel Mountains located in San Bernardino County in Los Angeles County in Southern California, with the county line running through the community. It is located below Mount San Antonio, commonly known as Mount Baldy, hence its name. It was an extremely snowy day. At one point weather got so bad rangers had to close down the area. Make sure you guys have your cold-proof outfit and gloves so you are not freezing, cause Mount Baldy temperature has record low as 23 Fahrenheit or -5°C. So if you're thinking about hitting the slopes at Mount Baldy, that's a great choice. Mount Baldy, nestled in the heart of California, is one of those hidden gems that make snowboarding feel like a dream come true. You will find everything you need for an amazing winter adventure right here. It's known for its epic powder and diverse terrain. Mount Baldy offers something for everyone from seasoned pros to complete beginners. Whether you're looking to perfect your carving technique or just want to experience the thrill of gliding down a mountain, this place has got your back. But remember, while snowboarding can be loads of fun, it's also important to stay safe on the mountainside. Equip yourself with all necessary gear and always keep an eye on weather conditions, because nothing ruins a day on the slopes faster than getting caught in a storm unprepared. So pack up your board and get ready. Mount Baldy is calling your name. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos.